Today, we're peeling back the curtain of Coinplex, a so called AI powered trading platform that promises effortless trading with big gains. Is it a legit tool or a high tech scam? Quick disclaimer, this is based on my research and public user feedback, not financial or investment advice. Coinplex markets itself as a cutting edge, click a button quantitative trading platform for Forex, crypto, and stocks. Users supposedly just follow signals and let the automated system execute trades, promising steady daily returns backed by algorithmic trading. The pitch? Zero effort, maximum laziness, high gains, sounds impressive. But here's the truth. Coinplex was part of a classic Ponzi scheme. Behind MLM describes it as a part of a wave of click a button apps where returns didn't come from trading, but from new investments. The entire promise was a facade with fake balances. Just Sang reports a full scale exit scam shut down of the platform under the guise of migrating to a regulated MiCA compliant system, a common tactic on how to disappear with user funds. Invest Reviews adds that Coinplex had no proper licensing, offered unrealistic returns, and frequently changed domains, classic warning signs. Crypto Scams Reviews outlines the scam flow such as hype returns, fake UI, backlash when withdrawal requests arise, solidifying its scam classification. Users would deposit funds and see account balances grow, but when attempting to withdraw, they got locked out, diverted to newer platforms, or charged more to activate withdrawals. Meanwhile, promotions pushed more looking for recruitment bonuses instead of legitimate ROI. The tech savvy branding, AI trading, click a button combined with consistent growth visuals and emotional messaging, retire now, AI beats the market, made it persuasive. It calls back to FOMO, and for many, the return trap kicked in before suspicion did. Coinplex is not a legitimate trading platform for the final verdict. It's a classic Ponzi styled with AI jargon. If you come across platforms that promise automated, effortless wealth, it's best to run, not invest. Stick to regulated, transparent brokers with proven track records. That's everything on Coinplex. Have you seen scams like this? Share your experience. Knowledge helps, other keeps safe. If this review was eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more scam investigations. Stay sharp and see you next time.